Welcome. Today we are looking at a video doorbell. This was very kindly sent to me. They did not ask me to say anything in particular, neither was I paid for this review. If you want to pick this doorbell up, I will leave a link in the description box below. If you find the video helpful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section and subscribe to watch more reviews. It's got some information on this side. IP65, 1080p resolution, motion detection, 140-degree wide angle. Some information there, same on there. It has a well-written instruction booklet. I was flicking through it earlier on and I'm really pleased with this instruction booklet, because I've reviewed many products on my channel if you've been around here before, and some of the instructions, they are not good. It accepts a micro SD card, maximum 128 GB. It runs on the Cloud Edge app. That's the doorbell. Let's look at the accessories first. We get a micro USB cable, 16 GB micro SD card included, power brick, a chime, that little hole there, that's a status indicator, reset, that's good that it's got a built-in type A to charge the chime. You could charge it with the power bank or even your computer. The batteries, it's a 6700 milliamp hour battery. We need to charge the batteries when we put them into the doorbell. Sticky tape to mount the doorbell, a reset pin, some mounting hardware, a key, the lens, and as it said on the box, it has 140 degrees field of view, motion sensor, speaker. On this side it has the microphone, the doorbell button. It's got a sticker on there, I'll take that off later on. At the bottom, that's the security hole which matches up with the bracket. If I lift this, reset hole and a charging port. Nothing on that side. That's what it looks like from the top. At the back, charging contacts. We'll need to unscrew these two, remove that plate and put the batteries in. The bracket has two holes there to mount the doorbell. These two are the contact points that match up with the contact points on the doorbell. You could also hardwire the doorbell as well if you don't want to run it on battery. Contact points from the back. Just to point out, I missed the security screw. It's here. That will go at the bottom of there, and that way no one can take the doorbell off and run away with it. So make sure you don't lose that, and for that you'll need this key to lock it and unlock it. Before I put the battery in, I'm going to put the micro SD card. That's the micro SD card slot there. That little indicator there, it's red. And I think once it's fully charged, it will either go green or it will go off. Let's link it to the app. I already have the Cloud Edge app installed on my phone. Let's go to Add Camera, Smart Video Doorbell. Okay. Please reset. Okay. Okay, I'll wait for the indicator to start flashing red again. It's flashing red. When I press next, it's going to generate a QR code. Just wait now till it links up. As you can see, that's gone blue. Added successfully. Put camera on phone on this. Okay. It's connected. Okay, let's pair the Chime up. I've got a power bank here. Click on the gear cog. Go to Chime set. Wireless Chime. Hold this for a few seconds. It's flashing. Now I press Chime pairing. Pair. That's solid, it's paired. You don't need Wi-Fi to pair the Chime up. There we go. Okay, let's have a quick look at the app. I just press play. You could see I have it mounted in my back garden. Apologies for that. I could not mount it around the front because I'm getting some work done there. So if I tap the screen, you could see speaker there. It's the quality, standard definition or HD. The one next to that, that will flip the screen around. Then we have bitrate, Wi-Fi and battery percentage. Where it says live, screenshot, that will get saved in the phone. We have intercom because of course this has two-way audio, record, motion detection. Then we have album. So it's got some pictures and videos here. If I click on that video, press play. And at the top, you could see we have these 3 circles. We could share this with someone as well. If I back out of that, I just click on the picture. Another picture there. That's Catboy. The camera does have good image quality. Then we have history, calendar. It will bring it up in a timeline. You could go through whatever you're looking for and then you could save that in the phone if you want. Screenshot, record. As you can see, they are grayed out. There's nothing to see there. If I click on album, it's brought the videos and pictures up again. We have already seen them. Cloud. As I don't have cloud storage, of course, there's nothing there because I have an SD card in. Just click that again. If I click at the top, this cog here, we have some more information here. So where it says share, so you could share it with other people as well. Image setting, I have left it on auto. Sound setting, you can adjust the speaker volume. Chime setting, we've already connected the wireless Chime, but you can also choose mechanical Chime if you are going to hardwire the doorbell because you do have that option as well. Message, so you could record your own message. Alarm management, motion detection, high or low, it's on low. If I click that, you could customize it as well. So you could do from 20 seconds to 1 minute. That's how long it will carry on recording after it's picked up motion. Recording management, event recording, an SD card. I have already formatted the SD card, but it's important to format an SD card once you put a new SD card in. Cloud storage, we don't have anything there. Reset device, delete device. This app is nice and simple to use. If I were to go back again, at the bottom here we have messages, motion detection. If I click on that, that's what it's for. Them are the motion it has picked up on the 26th, 27th and the 29th. If I go back, we could share it from here as well. So that's like a shortcut rather than going through the app. System messages and feedback and customer service. Me, that's my information. Where it says album here, this is an interesting one. At the moment, I only have this doorbell connected with this app. But if I scroll down, it will bring the previous products I have had connected with this app as well. January 4th, I had a different camera connected then. If I go down, you could see here the conical camera, I had that connected as well, so it saved them as well, which is a good thing actually. So if you want to go back, if something had happened, you have the option right here within the app to go and look at that rather than searching for it on cloud or in an SD card. Okay, what I'll do is I'll play some daytime and nighttime footage now. This doorbell has good image quality, motion detection works great. As soon as it picks up motion, a light turns on around the button. This is useful for two reasons. Firstly, if the bell is mounted in a dark area, people can see. Secondly, it acts as a deterrent. The app is easy to use. With this doorbell, you can add as many chimes as you want. Speaking of the chime, this is where I have one complaint. You're limited to ringtones. Apart from that, it's a really good doorbell. Link in the description if you want to pick this up or know more about it. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.